declare the convocation ceremony for the Praxis Business School for the PGDM batch of 24-26 total. Good evening, everybody. Esteemed faculty, proud parents, distinguished guests, and most importantly, the Praxis Business School MBA class of 2026. Let me begin by extending a warm welcome and our sincere thanks to our chief guest, Mr. Sanjeev Puri, Chairman and Managing Director of ITC Limited. Sir, your leadership at ITC and your commitment to creating sustainable value for India is an inspiration to us all. We are grateful that you are here to address our graduating students and inspire them. Thank you very much. Right, you wait now, till the end. Okay, to the MBA class of 2026, this is for you. Today is yours. You are the stars. Look around. You made this happen. Right? It's fantastic that you guys are here. Alright, you are a very interesting batch. I haven't interacted with you, but you are a unique batch. I think you are born in and around the 21st century, right? Somewhere between 98 and 2002 maybe. You are the first generation who will mature to become leaders of this century, so you're leading it. And soon you will take your steps into your professional initiation after an MBA. So let me remind you, your career is not a sprint. Now this is very oft repeated, but I have to say it. Your career is not a sprint, it's a marathon, and today is just the starting line. First, commit to the start. That's important. I know the temptation is coming up very soon, in 6 months, in LinkedIn, will flash new roles for you. Join the job, but now you will be looking for more, right? Because you want to move on. Friends will jump because other offers look shinier. The titles offered will sound bigger. Or someone has told them that the grass is greener on the other side. The market will whisper, see, he's already laughing, faster, more, next. Resist the noise. Give this first job a few years, very critical of your life. Not because the company demands it, but because you deserve it. Depth will beat breadth early on in your career. The real learning in any role starts after a few months, when you are no longer just executing tasks, but solving problems, owning outcomes, taking blame, and also taking the credit. Stay strong enough to at least see one full cycle. See how decisions you took last quarter play out in the next year. That's how judgment is built. Number 2, work like a professional, not like an employee. The companies who have hired you have trusted you. Honor that. Show up with full commitment and more importantly with integrity. Your degree gets you the interview, but your character gets you your career. In your job, you will be asked to do things that feel small. Do them like they are big and not because someone is watching. Reputation will compound faster than your salary. 10 years from now, people won't remember your GPA. They will remember if you kept your word, if you did clean work, and if you could be trusted. Third, learn to work with people, not just through them. This may be your most important skill. You are a digital native generation. Brilliant with data, tools, screens. But the businesses are still run by humans, and humans are your customers and they are your colleagues. Your success will depend on how well you listen, how clearly you communicate, and how generously you collaborate. Learn to disagree without being disagreeable. Learn to give credit loudly and blame quietly. The people you work with today will become your network tomorrow. Build those bridges now. No AI can network for you. That's human work and it's invaluable. Master your tools, don't surrender to them. You are entering the workforce in the age of AI. It is useful, it is powerful, but it is very tempting. It is one of the many resources available to you. It's just a resource. It's not something that you work with all the time. Use AI to make your work easier, faster, smarter. Let it draft, analyze, summarize, but never let it think for you. Your edge is not in how well you prompt. Your edge is judgment, context, ethics, and the courage to take a call. If AI does work for you, you don't grow. If AI does work with you, you become a better version of yourself. So choose the second. The companies hiring you don't want operators of tools. They want leaders who use resources wisely. Mr. Puri's leadership at ITC has shown how a strong purpose-driven vision can align diverse businesses. From FMCG to paper molds under a single umbrella creating value. It is the vision that is enabling. Class of 2024, you are young, but you are not untested. You have done 2 years of case studies, internships and late night submissions. Now comes the real case study, your own career. So step out with humility, commit to your first chapter, give it your best years, work with integrity, invest in people, and remember technology should amplify you, not replace you. On behalf of the Board of Governors and the entire Praxis family, I am proud of you. We are proud of you. Your parents are proud of you. Now go and make us prouder. Congratulations and welcome to your professional life.